All right. So first, you're probably going to want to locate the tiles that you're going to try to add to your tile set, or you could just draw your own. Just make sure that if you pull tiles from somebody or somewhere public, that you always credit the creator of the tiles. Um, for this tutorial, we're going to use this little dirt splotch, and we're just going to use paint, but you can probably use any image editing software. I think that should be fine. And you're going to go to Hexmaniac. You're going to go to map header, data operations, and I'm going to be using the secondary tile set here, and you're going to expand block set and expand tile set. I already did that. And that's what that's going to do is just give you a bunch of extra space here to work with when you actually edit your tile set, which to get there, you're going to right click any block, you're going to edit block, and you're going to click whichever tile set you want to edit. The primary tile set here is going to be like all of this outside stuff that's kind of in every map outside. And the secondary stuff is going to be like town-specific stuff. So this secondary tile set that we're going to look at today. So let's see. Right-click a block, edit block, secondary. What you're going to want to do from here, if every single color in your palette's lined up, that is this palette right here in Hexmaniac, and there's a few extra palettes. You can cycle through them all. If all of the colors lined up, you would be able to just directly select this little dirt splotch here, and you could copy and paste it over. But because they don't line up, only a couple of the colors are going to carry over, and it will look messed up. So we're just going to undo that. To make it actually work, though, we're going to go back to Paint. We're going to use the color picker tool, and we're just going to pick every color in that dirt splotch, copy it over, and I'm just going to paste it into these blank tiles here, blank palette slots rather. And I'm just going to keep going through and doing that until we've got them all filled out. This little splotch is really simple. I think it's only like 3 colors. So once I've got them all through, we can then select our tile. Control C to copy, tab over, and paste it right in. Make sure that when you paste in your tile that it's actually like oriented correctly within these squares, or else things are going to be misaligned when you actually build your tiles. So then you can go back to Palette Town, and if you click on any of these open blocks, sometimes you have to go through like a warp to reset it. Click one of these open blocks, edit block, and you're going to scroll down to the palette set, and you'll see this dirt splotch. And now, just by itself, this isn't like a block or anything, so you're going to have to select each little piece, because tiles in GBA games like Pokemon are separated into 4 separate little blocks. So you're going to build your tile out of those blocks, and then just pull something for the background. I'll just use this piece of grass, and then you can place it wherever. I've effectively added a dirt splotch. And this exact thing will work with any tile that you try to add to the game, as long as the tile you're adding doesn't have too many colors, or it's not too big. You don't like, you need to have enough space actually. So let's see, for instance, edit block, secondary. You have a lot of space to work with in this secondary tile set, but some of them aren't as big. And also, if you mess with some of these palettes, some of them are actually used by that tile set itself, and if you mess with them, you're going to change colors in your town. So let's see. Palette Town definitely uses this palette. So if I take this color and I change it to green, all of my houses are going to look messed up in Palette Town now. See? So just be careful which colors you're actually editing and in which palettes. But as far as this goes, all you have to do is make sure that the colors that you have in your tiles actually matches what color is in Hexmaniac right here.